Spoon on my files, guys. Keep on my files. Keep on my pull. Hi, beautiful people. This is your girl, Pablo the MC, your favorite MC, your voiceover artist, and your presenter. Welcome to episode 2 of The Expose. Guys, my man, like TikTok literally, like with The Expose, it's not all about us exploiting artists, like exposing you guys. My man, like in a way, like we're also here to encourage young talent. Just like Nibona today, me one, me gunman. As my viewers and my team. Ne? So, what I would actually like us to talk about is what us as artists or us as people that are in the entertainment industry don't talk about. Ne? So, I want us to talk about that transition, you know, like from you being whichever person that you were to you currently being an artist or an influencer and you get me? So, man, Pablo man. Yazi thina as ama upcoming artist like siyahunyezwa, siya-exploitwa, abasibhadali, lithonyana tsenjalo yabo. So I would like us to touch base on that. Now, okay, first things first. I believe we all start somewhere, and guys. So, so I believe I'm still an upcoming artist, you know, because I'm not gonna say I'm still an upcoming MC, because over manje I'm doing various things outside of me being an MC, right? So, okay. Let's talk about artists as a whole. Let us include everyone. Your influencer. Have you worked with a certain brand or a certain campaign, or maybe you shoot a promo video and they didn't pay you? So I'll be interacting with my team, which are like move the camera guys, because it's time. Okay, so guys, this is my understanding of e-rider. E-rider yinto khona guys kuma event. Ne? Ukuthi uyaphuza or awuphuzi. If uzobuka, for instance, Evardos hosta i-event, bafuna uPablo the MC. Pablo the MC akaphuzi, mara thola ukuthi us giving uPablo the MC e-rider, that's just us offering uPablo hospitality, basically. So, and the e-rider for me, ne, and then yazi khona ama-artists ayenza ngama-ride, ne, e-rider, even if like maybe you say it's slots because it isn't jalo. Believe you me, like Bule event, they're still gonna offer you e-rider because we believe it's hospitality for loyal muntu loyal. And you sure maybe booker or send any invoice or send any package and most of you guys, most of these artists buy a pools, agna artist maybe a konu give this stage in your intoxicated. Ne? So maybe like your package there's your meat platter, your rider, your okabai, business, that's hospitality. And the e-rider if all under a hospitality. So my chat is indaba lama artist ayayimosha because bafike endaweni bathatha i-rider bahambe. Like thola ukuthi umuntu nama gig i5 a night. Uzofika late ngamabomu khona ukuthi uzomisa islot sakho. But when you get there, you demand a rider. So yeah, that's just my understanding of e-rider basically. Hennessy costa malini guys. So Ulayo Malin Hennessy 900. Okay, anyways, you're not like maybe Ulayo Hennessy atura and then maybe charge about 600. Uzongitshela ukuthi hayi Pablo ne 3 clip ngizogaya i-rider. Huh? Andla uthini lo muntu so xolela ukuthi ayothenga utshwala, but until I got an understanding yokuthi i-rider ikhishwa yivenue basically. Yabo, so if you are hosting i-rider ayiphume epokotweni lakho, i-rider iphuma kuvenue. So yeah, tlogela mekgwa e ya lona ukuthi nifike mabatini nithatha ama-rider bese niyahamba. Nifike makoyi nenze indlu yenu or ama-room wenu ama-bottle store or i-bar. Siyaba expose. Ngibamention. Ngiyabaza, I know quite a few who do that. Mara izinto ngixolele. Sombuyela, relaxa. Sombuyela.
Okay, I was talking ngempilo yasebusuku ke.
Yo, guys.
Ababonayo.
Senza.
Status wabantu, mara abazi into engikho kuzona.
Yeah.
Mase baphusha bathi ay. Asixoxele lapho, asitshele.
Hey, actually, yes, guys, being an artist or being J in the entertainment industry, like it's not as easy as you guys think it is. Like I feel like all that contributes to your mental health also. Yeah, because ngicabanga ukuthi baba lo meka phethe mic. Okay, me I for one chem. Mengiphethe mic ngisemhlabeni wami. Like anginandaba ngama surroundings wami as long as ngizibona ngiphethe a mic ne. But however, as an artist, impilo yasebusuku nempilo yasemini as an artist ayifani. Because uyazi ukuthi emini o preparela in ama-gig. Or I mean, because most of us, like, or most of our events, like, we barely have daytime events, but I see certain venues are slowly implementing that, and it's also good in a way to accommodate abantu abangahambi ebusuku, right? But us as artists, really, like, yo guys, it's a lot. Believe you me, it's a lot. Ukuhamba ebusuku, like, ohlangabezana nezinto eziningi, because siyazi ukuthi kuningi okwenzakala ebusuku than okwenzakala emini, right? So, for instance, I'm an accident. Like, anything can happen to anyone at any given time, right? Also, if, like, mele yenzakale accident, like, guys, mele yenzakale. But my chat is, like, always stay prayed up, like, as an artist. No more hambe mini, guys, because also hambe mini try so much, hambe mini baya grape still. So, especially for us female artists, yeah, but like, sometimes wear something exposing, show a bit of skin, and my chat is but ubuka mina or ubuka umzimba wami. Mind you, event enzakala ebusuku. And I told you as Pablo the MC, I don't have a team. Like most of the time, ngihamba nabangani bami, mama ntombazane ebusuku, whereas wena as umuntu ongibukayo ufuna ugcoke kanjani njani. So, like life as an artist ebusuku, like it's not as safe, guys. Like it's not as safe because ebusuku we have less eyes, less ears than any. Yeah, so a few people can see what happens at night, but also ningasicabangeli guys, ngicabanga ukuthi yazi isiphila kamnandi. Is it guys? We are going through it ebusuku because kuningi okwenzakala guys, kuningi. Nasemaklabhini, like you get bowlers, like okay, for those who don't know ukuthi yini ama bowlers, right? Me for instance, ngisebenza eklabhini, I invite my girls. I'm also a bowler umuntu ozongitshela ukuthi Pablo ngiyakubona uhle namantombazane ngifuna le ntombazane le yami, then I set up my friend ukuthi ahambe naleyo bowler leyo, yabo. And these things barely happen emini, senzakala nini ebusuku. And then futhi I know hands who set up other hands to bowlers. Mara mamela njengoba usahleli kanjalo, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, comment, subscribe, and turn on notification bell so you are notified next time we drop. This is the expose. Hello, angaqedi ngiyangiyela. Welcome back from the ad break, guys. While I edit, make sure you have subscribed, you have liked, you have turned on notification bell so you are notified next time we drop. And to those who have already subscribed, thank you, babies. Thank you, babies. We see you and we appreciate you so much.
Okay, baby. Nekikupotla question, ne? So how do you handle industry competition? Because competition is everywhere. Like an MC or was tuna sponsor. So like like we tackle that type of thing.
I can't really like a competition self.
Okay, all right.
I man, thing is how I deal with competition. The competition really a thing, guys. Let's just be realistic. Uzotola another female MC go event or another male MC go event. So look maybe you are the only upcoming artist who your lineup, and it's like your big MCs, your tallest T, but however, I can't get it. And Pablo the MC, Pablo the MC, I never abe tallest T, I never abe any other MC in the industry. So I feel like it's all about who it's happen, man. Like push chelo good. So when I'm about the mic, like enjoy shine to yam. Obviously, I get see shine ngokufana. Yeah, but I get see shine ngokufana. That's why there's Pablo, there's any other MC now corner, but hey, indaba kunethele ebhaya man kule indaba umzokanga ukuthi compete nayo noma ungacompete naye, you get. But competition is thing, it's just all about how you handle it and how I choose to handle competition ukuzithemba. Yeah, because nyayisha into yami ngiyazi nyayisha and ayikho ozongitshela otherwise.
Danko.
So what it's about tsa ga fihla ko kicking di batla o bone tsona and wena o ska bona ga.
Yeah. And I've actually had an incident yanto and long mention again, unfortunately. Ne? So I was booked at the spot. Stava was hosting. Ne? So it happened, I was on stage with Benny Rick, the healer. Shout out to Benny Rick. And then Jaden Lani comes on stage. Ne? No, he didn't necessarily come on stage because I was on stage. I'm busy. And uyabona ukuthi ngiya MC ama uyangbiza still, right? Ne? So uthi kimi ngikaye mic. And I'm like, how? Ayibonakala into engiyenzayo kanti lana. Like, so uyabona ukuthi he has a hit song, first things first. So obviously abantu are jamming to be excellent at that time, right? And Pablo is MCing on stage, but also I feel like it comes to terms with us respecting each other's work. You're a performer, I'm an MC. Allow me to MC ngize ngicede. Because ufike late for a slot sakho. Ngoba ufike late manje mele startazele sizama accommodate. I mean, that's a bit unfair, man. Because you are Jaden Lani and I am Pablo the MC. I mean, I mean, certain artists have hit songs, mara abakhona ukushake a crowd. I'm just an MC, ngiyashake a crowd. So like khongata and angithanda ukuthi nithanda ukubukwa ngathi ama MC because believe you me ngale hit song yakho ngakushekela iCrowd wena ohlule ukuyisheka hawucanga ukuthi ngeverse nyana eli1 chorus nyana eli1 ubig are companying respect my craft as much as I respect your craft.
Ra utlwa gore no be ka etaba ne kwa tla go botsane if you were to date in the industry how would you tackle it since o tseba gore you're in the public eye ne batho ba tletsa di assumptions tsa bona and everything so ka tla go itse gore o ba le ba go patataba ya hao le motho wa hao o ba le ba o ba in the open na.
Okay, to answer your question, Nam, okay, dating in the industry for me, like, agnanginya guys, umuntu just like any other person, it's just that he's in the public eye, and if I were to date in the industry, like, ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi ujana nobani okay ngizonibonisa and ngizonitshela ukuthi ubani if umuntu ami DJ or vocalist or naye uyi MC then ngihamba naye kuma gig because chances are sizohlangana kuma gig maybe siku line up A1 yabo ngithethe njalo like but also let us respect umsebenzi if sisemsebenzini if sibuke endaweni e1 aseke ubulavidavi yabo but however yeah dating in the industry for me like I don't have a problem with it, yeah, but I just feel like because we are both manje in the public eye, it causes gang attention, like abanye abantu bazonzela ngendaba, false information, just to jeopardize a relationship. But mina, like lo muntu fana just like any other person, it's just that ke manje niyamazi, he's well known, so yeah, yeah.
Oh, well known. Oh yeah. Pablo.
Hi.
Okay. Okay. So mina ngiyabona ukuthi yasaba ukusho ukuthi ubani. Okay. I met Mr. Nation.
Okay.
And big up to Mr. Nation. Siyakuthanda ntwana and I love what you did ngopabalo because of you told me on that other Saturday and you said to me Guti, you always encourage her Guti ayenze better. I understand that and you also the part Guti azazosebenza nathi. And big up for that. Big up for that. We want people abanjalo. We understand that and the respect you giving us Autiako. The respect gives us like it's out of this world.
Why uthi out yakhe?
Why? Out yakhe.
Hayibo uzoshaywa.
No, sengiqedile out yakhe.
Hayibo.
Siqedile.
Ekanjani?
No.
Director wrong. Ngasoxosha emsebenzini.
Ithi ngikutshele ke. Mina I know ukuthi it was confirmed. I know ukuthi uPabi.
Okay, if it was confirmed kusho yena uJola noPabalo akajoli naye meaning yena uJola i1 if that's the case.
Ngiyabonga Mr. Nation. Angakuphiki.
Hayibo yini expose ishow yami director ngathi ungizele ngamabhani ungizele bathungu nabalaba bangabaza amandla ami.
Masisaselapho masingene ku smash or pass.
Okay, mara guys, just to clear the air. Ne, hello. Ngoba si close nabantu ku industry siyazana, we are well known just like that. Akusho ukuthi siyatsho. Yekelani ukusipha abantu guys. Like yekelani ukusipha abantu. Angisasho namhla nje. Neza. And please don't come for me in the comment section because nyanazi nina ukuthi njani. Ne? And like moving on.
Kwenzakala nawe ngawe no Mr Nation.
Nothing is happening.
Niyafihla.
Asifihla kwenzakala lutho.
Why content producer so?
Because uyazi.
Okay, ngicela ukubuza content producer wena ujola nobani?
Mina ngijoli. Angifuni umjolo. Abafana basile namantombazane basile. Anyways, sisaselapho kumjolo and stuff ngoba vele ngithanda zona. Asidlale igame nyana. Smash or pass artist edition.
Smash or pass artist edition. Local or international or
International kanjani manje ngathi usile manje.
Hey guys, labantu laba like yazini. Nation, the day I catch you. Guys, ngicela sihloniphe nation brand like nation phela. Igurel kuruza abanye ne. Hey asiyeke lapho yes asiqhubeke.
But crazy smash or pass. You are shaking.
I pass.
You're 1829. Smash or pass.
Who's that? Pass.
Okay.
Usicova or Mr Nation?
I have to choose between the both. Like ngihamba nobantu between Usicova no Nation. Smash or pass.
Pass. Ungazo actor as a manager la. You're not a manager. You are an employee la. Ungazo siphaphela.
Yeah, Pat.
Guys, ngiyakhethisa. Ngikhethe
Smash or pass. Mina bengithi ukhetha at the smash or pass.
Special pass.
like who am I smashing, who am I passing between the two? Yeah. Oh! Nyangangazela. Yo, set up. Okay, my man. Yo.
Sit next. When our actor manager la, aku manager la, semsebenzi.
Guys, why ninje? Hi, ibi expose. Hi, ngathi ngizoyigapha kanje. Okay, who would I smash and who would I pass between Sklova and Mr Nations? Nah, Sklova is my boy. Like,
Agna my boy la, agna my boy. Put my boy aside.
Sklova is my boy. Ne, so agna ukuthi mina no Sklova phela singashindilana. So, hey, ngizojabulisa umunye ubhutila. Mara, okay, because Sklova is my boy and Intana yami just like that, like Spuma Fair na iyazi yabo. I would pass Sklova Smash Nation.
Clarity. Director. Clarification. Anyways, in a way. Entertainment industry ne. Ungahamba nabo bani babangathi Groove Cartel or Top Dog Sessions.
Hey band. Okay, because ngiyabazi abafana be Top Dog Sessions ne, and I know them like that mfana, and the difference between Groove Cartel and Top Dog Sessions. Top Dog Sessions, I feel like it's more about uplifting upcoming artists, right? And the Groove Cartel, like, they bring like your big artists. So yeah, I'll choose Top Dog Sessions. Yeah.
Okay. While we edit, awuthi ukusifaka esikolweni kancane nje ngendaba yokuthi ufila kanjani ngama artists acabanga ukuthi ngoba seba big bayeka isikolo. Yeah.
Guys, like ibusiso zethu angeke sifane. God has different plans for each and every individual, right? For example, your Casper Nyovest. Casper Nyovest no pretend mara. Millionaire, right? If I'm not mistaken. So ezinye izinto zisebenzela abanye abantu. But if uyazi ukuthi wena awufuni isikolo awuna talente umuthi ufela nje like uyaziphilela and like now kumele usicabangele at the end of the day ukuthi okay inyeka isikolo because isikolo si important guys as much as maybe you want to be in the media space ufuna ukucula ufuna ukuba artist ufuna ukuba promoter dinthonyana tjalo like okwamanje guys everything needs a matric certificate okay not everything but most of izinto guys like sidinga a matric certificate and my advice to those people who look down on education, I'm really not, I really don't like telling people ukuthi education is the key to success. Because I feel like also in a way, education gatekeeps people. Because unale mentality ukuthi ngifuna ukufunda isikolo, I want to matriculate, I want to go to varsity, ngithola umsebenzi. And lo msebenzi lo uyosebenzela omunye umuntu. Yabo? Unlike unengqondo nawe esicabangele vula ibusiness. Yabo? business and hire people into it, but school is important, guys. Like, because what if whatever you're planning in the media doesn't work for you? Then you have something to fall back on. It just tells, okay, let me make a certificate. I want to be in the media industry. Let me go to AFTA. Let me go to all your media schools, basically. So just to answer your question, education is important, guys. Like, but don't rely on education. Because like restrict because silandela i-trend kahle basically ukuthi okay I go to school I go to varsity apply umsebenzi ngiyasebenza. If education was the key to success guys why nihleli nama degree ending like okay why but that's why ke re ko wena unengqondo for a reason right unengqondo for a reason isebenzisele ingqondo yakho use your talent use your skills use everything that you have in order for you ukuthi at least nawe ukhona ukuzimaintain because mo give up ala uzoba umthwalo kabani. So yeah guys, and also I love these interactions and don't forget to ask us comments, like comment down below the questions that you'd like to know. Next episode when we drop we'll be answering your questions. So I hope I've answered you, man. Guys, I'm singing ingqondo man, like ingqondo ikhona guys, ingqondo ikhona, like yona ikhona. Okay, so I feel like there's something that we don't talk about, like kakhulu. Ane, siyabona man ama-artists bethu ayasigna to certain record labels, izinto ezinjalo. Ane, so since we are interacting, right? Sine artist ekas, like le artist yazi ukuthi yabona lona mengamgaya i-beat manje uzoyigibela manje. So we have such artists vele like sise studio Monday to Monday, siyasebenza, siyapusha, siyaspana, and then kuze a big artist who maybe owns a record label, afuna ukusayina uPablo MC for instance. And I get to that record label, nami ngiyavuma phela, it's a big record label guys, and nami ngijabulile ukuthi I was noticed by this big artist, right? Because siyahlanya phela thina mesivele sibona ama big artist, siyahlanya, so sharp ungivume nami ukuthi ayasayine izinto ezinjalo. And maybe ngikhiphe ingoma before azongisign. And the ngoma like thing is with these artists, like they see talent. I feel like talent sees talent, guys, in a way, you know. So ang sign kanjalo, and then since ang sign kanjalo ingoma angakayikhiphi, right? Ang today smart. So ngizokhipha ingoma, no angeke ngiyikhiphe per se because ingoma is asekhona, right? Like ayikakhishwa. Athi ngizwisele ngoma leyo ngimzwisele ngoma leyo. Athi Pablo waza ngikusayi angisayine lo muntu lo nami ngivume, right? Mengiqeda ukuvuma kanjalo angithi sengisayinile under record label ingoma ayikaphumi. So now manje sengisayinile kusho ukuthi ingoma mele iphume under a record label, right? So this is how our artists are being robbed basically, right? So I want us to touch base ukuthi you in that particular position uyasigna or uyamakancane utshela ukuthi hayi I feel like now is not yet my time to sign. Like ngisafuna ukunjoya imali yami without me having to split ama royalties wengoma, right? Because these record labels are our gatekeeper, ama artists, Mrs. Committee. So you sign to a record label, awusasebenzi as much as you used to work before uzo sign. Like ekasi besikwazi, so signile kasa sikwazi, you no longer gigging. So i-record label iyakuuser to their benefits or kanjani guys, because I feel like our artists are not actually educated about such.
Yeah, mina bengicabanga ukuthi ama subscriber wethu ne.
Yeah.
they need to comment and tell us how do they feel about that.
Like that's the question.
Yeah. How do they feel about that? I mean, I'm feeling at exportation, all of this. Yeah. And
They actually do exploit these upcoming artists, you know.
So first things first, ne? Motoli contract, I'll jump and then we are signer. You must read everything carefully. And laba na manager, bona they're privileged ukutiabo, they can get perspective on that. So don't just jump and sign whatever. Read through carefully. If it's long, I'll say I go translator app. My sister, my brother, do something. Yeah.
And the Silaki Palagamalangut, you have state lawyers that can actually assist you with these contract duties. But thank you for your input, my sister. Like, yeah. So, yeah, well, guys. So, but still, let us know in the comment section, Uguti, what do you guys think about Ama artist again Kipai?
Siyavala. Thank you, my sister. Ne? Siyabonga. Baba Lobuyela, back to your show. Ngathi ngenza something, but it's fine. Ngilungisile. You can go back to your show. Ntwana Ivale.
Okay, guys, that was very, very interesting. Something different also, you know. So I hope you guys actually enjoyed episode 2 of the expose. And don't forget, we'll be dropping on a weekly basis. So while we're at it, guys, this is your girl, Polly MC, your favorite MC, your vocalist, and your presenter. Don't forget to comment, to share, to subscribe. If you haven't turned on that notification bell, turn it on, because like but while we're at it, guys, I will see you guys next time we drop. And this is it from the expose.